I'm here to talk about my ketogenic diet, my low carb ketogenic diet, and I've already posted a video which I'll give a link to at the end of this. You'll find the link to it at the end of this video. But right now, I'm going to make a delicious dish which I've named Spicy Chili Hot Sauce Chicken. It complies with my ketogenic diet. So let's get to the kitchen and let's see how I make it. So here I am in the kitchen. Let me show you what I have. I have about 2 kilos of chicken with the skin. The skin is full of fat. So it's a high fat ketogenic diet compliant chicken. And I've got lots of fat here. Can you see this fat? And I always use the liver. It's full of nutrients. So yeah, about 2 kilos, maybe a little less than 2 kilos. And then I've sliced up 2 onions about this size. And I've made a paste of 2 garlics about this size. I've got a few green chilies. I've chopped up some coriander leaves. And I've got turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and this is the main ingredient, which is a red chili sauce. So this is the dish I'll be cooking the chicken in. I have put some butter inside, I think about 2 tablespoons or maybe a little more. Now I'm going to turn on the heat and let the butter melt. So the butter is melting now, and in this I'm going to put the sliced onions. So I've put the onions in and I'm going to stir it about until it becomes slightly brown. Not too much, just a little brown. Now the onions are browning nicely. I'm going to reduce the flame and I'm going to put in the garlic paste. So I've put the garlic paste in and I'm going to stir it about a little and let it fry a little bit. It's on low flame and I'll let it fry for a couple of minutes. Now it's nicely fried, the onions and the garlic paste. Now I'm going to put the chicken in. So I've put the chicken in, and on the chicken I've taken this spoon and I've put one spoon of this of red chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and I've added the sauce, about a couple of tablespoons, and some salt to taste, and I've tossed in the green chilies also. Now I'm going to mix it and I'm going to let it cook together. So I've mixed it all up and I'm allowing it to cook. I'm going to cover and let it cook for a while. Say about 4 or 5 minutes. Now I've added about this glass, about half a glass of water, and I'm letting it bubble up and cook nicely. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to reduce the flame and let the chicken cook for about half an hour. So now about half an hour is up. My chicken is cooking nicely. I'm going to remove the lid and see what's happening inside. Here we go. Lid is up. Oh yes. It's bubbling away nicely. Look at that chicken. Let me stir it about a bit. I think it's done. I think it's nice and tender. Now I'm going to garnish it with the coriander leaves or cilantro. A sprinkling of cilantro on it. A little more. And I'm going to break up some green chilies, toss them inside. About 2 or 3 green chilies, toss them inside, stir it about. Smelling divine. Lovely hot sauce smell. So now the cilantro or the coriander leaves have gone in nicely, incorporated nicely. I'm going to put some more on top. Fresh coriander leaves. And that's done. So now my spicy chili hot sauce chicken is all done, and this is what we're going to have for dinner. So that's it for today. I hope you liked my video. I hope you make this dish and try it out for yourself, and do tell me how you like it in the comments. I'd love to interact with you, learn about how you make your keto, if you are into keto, how you make your dishes. I'd love to learn about that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel. And the bell icon, tap on the bell icon so that when I come up with more videos, you get notified. And also don't forget to like my video and tell me all about it. Try it out and see how you like it. So bye.